Hello, fellas. Welcome back. And also, uh, wait, blah. Wait, bro. That's my name. I didn't read that. Why do I not read the title before I record? Oh my god, I just saw that. That's amazing. Anyways, welcome back to this song again. Last time, there were some glitches, and that wasn't from my recording it or anything. That's apparently from the video. So, we're doing it again. I don't care if it's terrible. Let's just try, and I hope I don't hurt my throat again for all these things again.
I'm nervous. Here we go.
Let's do this.
Hopefully not too One, two, three, four, counting every day. I'm stuck in here, can someone help me get away? 5, 6, 7, 8 times just a hoax and a color full of characters and family jokes. Just tell me why you're scheming. I'm scared to lose myself here. I can't take it anymore.
Just your imagination, the exit is your fixation. Door after door, you find out it's just a digital hallucination. You try to find a way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination. You must think that you're dreaming. You're lucky to have what's left for sanity. Just your imagination, the exit is your fixation. Door after door, you find out it's just a digital hallucination. You try to find a way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination. My God. Just your imagination, the exit is your fixation. Door after door, you find out that it's just a digital hallucination. You try to find a way out, but you stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination. Oh my God. Oh God. I need to drink water. Alright. Also, special thanks for your local insane person for crediting me. By crediting me, I meant mentioning me. Thanks. If you guys don't know, G39, that's literally me. So, see you guys later. I hope I get recovered by my voice because I have to drink water, like right now. Bye.